Hey there, digital enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into the world of HTTP status codes and why they matter for SEO. These codes might look like secret messages, but they hold the key to understanding how your website communicates with search engines. Let's decode them. First things first, what are HTTP status codes? HTTP status codes are 3-digit numbers that a web server sends to your browser to let it know the outcome of a requested action. They come in various flavors, but for SEO, we're interested in a few specific ones. 200 OK, the golden code. This means your request was successful and the page loaded without issues. 301 moved permanently. Think of this as a change of address notice. It tells search engines that your content has permanently moved to a new URL. Great for SEO when you're doing site restructuring. 302 found or moved temporarily. This is like a temporary redirect. It tells search engines that your content has moved, but just for now. Use this when you're doing temporary changes. 404 not found. This means the page you requested doesn't exist. A404 can harm your SEO if not handled properly. 500 internal server error, a bit of a mystery. It indicates that something's gone wrong on the server's end. Regularly checking for these can save your SEO bacon. Impact on SEO. But why do these codes matter for SEO? Let's break it down. A200 OK tells search engines that your page is accessible and ready to be indexed. Good for SEO. A301 redirect helps maintain your search engine rankings when you change URLs. No SEO harm here. A 302 redirect can be a temporary fix, but for permanent changes, use a 301 to preserve SEO juice. A 404 error can damage your SEO if important pages are affected. Regularly check and fix broken links. A 500 error indicates server issues. Frequent occurrences can hurt your SEO and user experience. So, there you have it, HTTP status codes decoded. They might seem like technical jargon, but they play a vital role in SEO. Regularly monitoring and addressing these codes ensures that your website remains healthy and search engine friendly. If you found this video enlightening, give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow SEO enthusiasts. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights on optimizing your online presence. Got questions or want to dive deeper into a specific topic? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you in the next video.